What up there, you guys? It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. If you guys new to the channel, make sure you guys go down below, go hit that subscribe button, go turn on your notification. Today's video we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Joby Gorilla tripod stick here. And I've been wanting this thing for the longest. Finally got my hands on it, and we're gonna see what this thing is like. Check out the quality on it. I've been using like a cheap little tripod stick that I got from a local Target, and it's been doing its job. I mean, so now we upgraded and got this cool Gorilla stick here, and this thing's supposed to be top of the line here. It's a lot of vloggers and stuff uses this Gorilla stick here. They actually have a whole bunch of different models, but we got this model because you can actually add cameras. You can put a mic, whatever you want to put on the other side. Actually, another little camera like this one got a GoPro on the other side there. And yeah, this thing will come in handy. You can actually remove them extra arms if you don't want to use them. They got like a strap that comes with it supposedly that you can strap onto like a tree to get better grip. And let's get to it. Let's unbox this thing. I know it's shaking up on the camera, but we got here inside the box now. All the good stuff. This thing does has a little bit of weight to it. I'm gonna actually tell you how much it weighs here. And I'm about to see how much it weighs right now. And this is, let me get my camera to focus on this thing here. And it's 11 pounds. So this thing weighs 11 pounds, so definitely got some weight to it. And I'm just taking this thing out. Definitely feels way better than the one I have. And all this stuff here is actually aluminum here, so it's definitely gonna hold that weight better than the one I have. And I'm gonna show you guys the one I have, the one I was using before, and this one, and compare both of them to show you guys the difference and why I wanted this so bad. This little Joby stick here. This is one of the other arms that you can attach stuff to. Take all this stuff out and attach everything here. Get all this stuff together so you guys can see what it looks like on top of it. This is the ropes and stuff you can tie onto the tree. Or you can use it as a shoulder strap also. And this is like a little mount here. This with the arms and stuff will get screwed onto here. So we're gonna put all that stuff together on there also. And they got these little clips here for GoPros. And different little mounts here. I don't see no information here, like no type of instructions and stuff like that. So it's gotta be very easy if they don't give you no instructions. Matter of fact, I speak too soon. There's actually like a little pamphlet in here also, little manual book, and this teaches you everything, how to put things together. I thought we wasn't gonna have this, but it's still easy to put together. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you just grab this here, this little metal bracket here, and screw these things onto here. These are like the little arms, the actual little arms. And this is just, you want to add on extra little gadgets and stuff, like an extra little light. When you get a brand new gadget and you unbox it, and this thing is very secure, very steady, and yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this tripod here. Definitely, especially the one compared to the one I'm using now, how flimsy it is, and how like, matter of fact, I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna take it off my camera because I'm actually using it now. I'm gonna take it off the camera and show you guys my old one compared to this thing. Guys, I just got done taking it out, and just look at this thing. This is my old tripod. Look how like I put a lot of work to this thing. I really put a beat into this thing. It was from Target, and it was about like probably like $20, something like that, $18. But it definitely did its job. It's a little flimsy, and the piece up here actually is plastic here. And this is from the new one here. You can actually see this is aluminum, all this whole piece up here. So this is definitely gonna hold the camera more steady and stop it from shaking and stuff like that. Cause the old one actually used to shake. when I used to walk with it, because this piece is plastic here, so it doesn't really tighten up as much. I could actually like move it here, see, and the weight from the camera and me walking around actually bounces this thing all around and all crazy. So I'm not talking down on this little cheap tripod here, but if this is the only thing you can afford at the moment, hey, get yourself started with a nice little good tripod. But it's always good to invest yourself into something better and good quality here. So let's put this thing fully together.